Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a delicious and tasty oven roasted fish recipe. Now if this is your first time watching any of my videos, please leave a comment to introduce yourself, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's go straight into the video. I'm going to prepare the fish. Now I have the fishes here in this bowl, and I'm going to add some vinegar. Just going to add some vinegar in the water with the fish, and I'm going to leave this for about 10 minutes. Minutes have passed. One of the main reasons why I add the vinegar and allow it to soak with the fish is it cleans the fish itself of any bacteria, and also it helps to get rid of the fishy smell. Now so I'm just going to drain this water off. I'm going to add some fresh water. And this is some lemon. I'm going to squeeze the lemon juice on the fish itself as well. And then I'm going to use the lemon just to rub inside and outside of the fish. This helps to clean the fish as well and get rid of the fishy smell. I'm going to drain this water off, and I'm going to give it a couple more rinse. I'm now happy that this fish is cleaned. What I'm going to do next is just to get rid of the excess water on the fish, because I don't need too much moisture on it, because I'm gonna season it and leave it to marinate. Now I'm gonna prepare a little mixture to season the fish. Now this here is some green seasoning paste. This is homemade by myself. Lots of good stuff inside here, stuff like garlic, onion and other stuff. So just gonna add a few spoons. This is some jerk seasoning paste. Add some olive oil. This is some dry thyme. I'm also going to add some salt. What I'm doing here now is just to mix all of this up. This is the mixture that I've made earlier. The other ingredients are so this is some green bell peppers and some spring onions. And I also have some fresh thyme and an onion here. The thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use this brush here to brush the fishes with the seasoning. If you notice as well, I have sliced each fish a few times across, if you can see in the video here. And this is to allow the seasoning to get inside the fish. Now that I've put the seasoning all over the fish, if you notice, I've added some spring onions and green peppers inside the belly of the fish. I'm going to use some baking paper. Just add it. Just put the fish on the baking paper. I'm going to add some onions and fresh thyme as well, and I'm gonna wrap the fish up just like this. Right, there you have it. The fishes are wrapped up with the seasoning, and I'm gonna leave this to marinate for maybe 1 hour, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven at maybe 200 degrees Celsius. Oven is now preheated. I'm at 200 degrees, so I'm just going to put the tray in all the fishes, and I'm just going to allow this to cook really nicely, and I know that I'm going to get a positive ending, very delicious tasting meal. Okay, some time have passed, and I'm going to turn the oven off now. because I do believe that this fish is well cooked. Whoa, whoa, all that seemed coming on me. Let me take this out. Right, as you can see, this is how it looks. I'm gonna unwrap it from the paper and let you have a look.
This is really delicious as usual, very tasty. Remember to give my daddy a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below to introduce yourself if it's your first time watching his videos. Bye!